my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to share a recipe with you. This recipe will be peanut punch recipe. Let's get started. I'll be using 2 small ripe bananas, some peanuts, oats, peanut punch, non-alcohol malt, oatmeal, vanilla nourishment, vanilla, mixed spice, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and a bit of honey. I'm not using all of the nutriment, I'm just using some of it. And 1 teaspoon of honey. Blender on. Let's get started. looking good. This sponge is very easy to make and it is very healthy. I'm just gonna have a glass of this sponge and tell you how it tastes. You can have a glass of this sponge every day. This sponge is full of vitamins and it'll keep you full all day. So let's have a taste and tell you what I think about this sponge. Wow, the sponge is really nice. All the ingredients are combined together nicely. It's really, really nice. I can taste all the flavor. It's really nice. So if you like my peanut punch, give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a lovely weekend. Love you guys. See you soon. I'm out. Bye.